Hi everyone, welcome. Today, we're taking a quick look at the LincStation E1, a compact 2-bay NAS with two M.2 slots, designed especially for home users and beginners who want their first personal cloud. With the E1, you can easily centralize all your data, back up important files, and share content across your home network with storage expansion, up to a massive 64 terabytes, giving you plenty of space for photos, videos, and backups. It supports one-click backup for photos and documents from your phone, simple media streaming for videos and music, reliable data protection with RAID, thanks to its compact size, versatile features, and low power consumption. It fits perfectly into any home or office environment. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the LincStation E1 main unit, a user manual, an Ethernet cable, a power adapter and power cord, a HDMI cable, and an accessories pack, including screws, a screwdriver. Ports and interfaces overview. On the front, you'll see a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A port, used for fast external storage devices such as USB flash drives, external hard drives, and for quick data transfer or backup. Status LEDs for Bay 1 and Bay 2. Status LEDs for NVMe slots M1 and M2. A network status indicator. And the power button with LED. On the side, there's a security lock used to attach a Kensington lock to prevent theft in public or office environments. On the rear, you'll find the DC power input, a 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port, the reset button used to reset the system or restore factory settings, when required, to USB 2.0 ports, suitable for connecting peripherals such as keyboards, USB drives, printers, or UPS devices, and an HDMI 2.1 port used to connect the NAS directly to a monitor or TV for local display and system output. Hardware specs. The LincStation E1 is powered by a quad-core processor, running at 2.0 GHz, with 4 GB of DDR for memory. It features 2x SATA 3.0 bays and 2x M.2 slots, supporting 2.5-inch and 3.5-inch HDDs, 2.5-inch SATA SSDs, and M.2 SSDs, with a maximum storage capacity of up to 64 terabytes. Its size is 8.60 by 3.46 by 5.51 inches, and it weighs about 907 grams. How to install SATA drives. First, let's install a SATA hard drive or SSD. Open the magnetic top cover and pull out the drive tray. To install a 3.5-inch drive, simply pull out the side clips, place the drive into the tray, and snap the clips back in. For a 2.5-inch drive, remove the fixing screw and rubber ring, place the drive in position, flip the tray over, and secure it with the provided screws. Once the drive is mounted, slide the tray back into the bay until you hear a click, then close the magnetic top cover. How to install NVMe SSDs. Now let's install NVMe SSDs. First, locate the M.2 slots labeled SSD1 and SSD2. Before installing the SSD, please attach the thermal pad to the bottom for heat dissipation. Do not install it this way. Insert the NVMe SSD at about a 30-degree angle until it's fully seated. Gently press the other end down until it lies flat. The built-in spring mechanism will automatically lock the SSD in place. No screws needed. Finally, align the bottom cover and push it in the direction marked close until you hear a click. wrap up. And that's it. Your LincStation E1 is now ready for setup. If you have any questions, feel free to check the user manual or contact our support team. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your personal cloud with LincStation.